Hi, in this video, let me show you two ways on how you can shut down, how to turn off your MacBook Neo. The first way is the way I recommend is to go over here on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo and simply select shut down. So press shut down again. The screen will go black and usually in 3 seconds, the computer will be completely turned off. Let me show you the second way on how you can turn off your MacBook Neo. And in case you didn't know, to power it back on, you simply have to keep press this lock button until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. If you want to force a shutdown, for example, if the screen is completely frozen, in that case, you're going to use this lock button. Could also be the Touch ID button in case you have the MacBook Neo that is upgraded. This is the cheaper version, so I have just a lock button. You're going to keep press on this button until the screen goes completely black. So let's do it. I'm keeping it pressed and I'm simply waiting like this. No matter what you see on the display, don't release it until it's black. Here we go, it's black. I can release, and in 2 seconds, okay, the Mac will be completely turned off and you can pack it up and do whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you want to get accessories for your MacBook Neo, charger, case, cables, adapters, many different things. And I'll see you in the next video.